Now we're going to start off here. Now this is one of the things that technically you will need this stuff. Now sorry for the cable management. My cable management isn't the best. This is my iPhone. As you can see, my wireless mic, some keycaps I was sent by Digital Extremes, the makers of Warframe, a game I play. Anyway, speaking of Warframe, this is what we're going to check out, I guess, on the PS5, on these MetaQuest 3. Okay, so I have OBS right here, and then I have the OBS preview to my console capture card. Yes, I have an Elgato capture card, so I have the capture card preview here up on my main monitor versus my second monitor. In theory, you could just do it on with one monitor, but I need two monitors so I can record this for you guys as well. And as you can see, we're in pass-through mode right now. This is some maple flavored candy in case you guys are curious. It's actually pretty good. Yeah. Okay, so let's get back into the headset because now we will need to do stuff on the headset. We'll need to go into a program called Virtual Desktop. Oh, and just in case some of you guys don't know what Virtual Desktop is, it's basically an app you install one version on your MetaQuest 3, one version on your PC, and then it basically lets them both connect and you get to basically screen share remotely with your PC. And then with a couple of button clicks, as you can see, we can have a pretty immersive experience. I mean, this is basically we're playing the game Warframe, which I talked about earlier, on what's essentially an equivalent of a widescreen monitor, if you will. It's not really a widescreen monitor, but it may as well be. Actually, this is an interesting experience even for me. And I'm going to go ahead and select this, and then we are in the game. We can also adjust it a little bit, like let's see about adjusting it a bit. Like if we want to adjust it, we could just adjust the height and whatnot to get it to where we want. And I think that's where we want it. Not too close, not too far away. And now we can actually still do stuff within the game, enjoy everything, honestly, because we have our controller, so we're basically playing it just like normal, but on a bigger screen, which I'll be honest, I'm not used to playing it on a per se bigger screen. It's weird calling it a bigger screen because I know I'm in VR, but this is basically like playing it on a big screen. We're gonna go ahead claim that former. Okay, well, anyway, this isn't supposed to be us playing Warframe. This is supposed to be us doing stuff in VR type thing. So let's actually move on to more PlayStation stuff. Like, for example, we could play Deadlock. We could play any number of games. Destiny 2. Yeah, we could just have fun checking this stuff out. As you can see, I'm recording this pretty early in the morning. But yeah, that is how you do it. Hopefully, you guys found it helpful in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.